Normal daw lahat ng labs mo pero marami kang hormonal acne? Ito ang mga posibleng explanation kung bakit ka nagkakaroon ng hormonal acne habang normal lahat ng lab results mo. Number 1, the presence of 5-alpha reductase sa inyong hair follicles. So ang enzyme na ito ay nagko-convert ng ating mga androgens kagaya ng testosterone into a more active form kagaya ng dihydrotestosterone. Number 2, increase in the receptor sensitivity. Meaning posibleng nagiging hyperactive ang iyong mga oil glands even to normal levels of androgens. Number 3, maaaring nagkakaroon ng microinflammation and oxidative stress sa ating mga hair follicles kaya nag-a-amplify ito ng androgen signaling. Number 4, maaaring nasa early or mild stage pa lang ang ating hormonal imbalance o tinatawag nating subclinical stage, kaya hindi ito nakikita sa labs. Kaya kahit normal pa rin ang levels ng ating hormones, possible pa rin magkaroon ng hormonal acne. It's not all about blood works, but it's also about how your skin reacts. Kaya if you think you have hormonal acne and you need help, contact your board-certified dermatologist. For more skin tips that work, follow me and Basta Acne, DMD. Bye-bye!